Hey, let me show you the best features of your Redmi Watch 3 Active. So first of all, when you click on the side button, we are able to go into the settings where we can find interesting and useful options. The first one, we can actually measure the heart rate. So when you open it, you've got this information about the beat rate per minute of your heart. And here when you scroll down, you can also check the 30-day of this heart rate information. Below you can also measure the oxygen in the blood. Here you can also turn on the all-day tracking by clicking on the switcher. You can also enable some alerts, for example, when your blood oxygen is going below like 90%, you will be notified by your smartwatch. So that's a really useful feature. Next, we can also track our sleep, and when you scroll down you can actually track the breathing. So we can turn it on, and now over the night it will try to measure your breathing score. Of course it is in the test mode, so maybe it's not reliable, but you can actually try it. And there's also option to track on the REM sleep stage. When you go below, we've got also the stress level measurement, just right here. Next, when you scroll down, as you can see, we've got the calls and the favorite calls, and it means then that thanks to this watch we can actually make the calls. So by clicking in the keyboard and typing the number, we can make the call, and we'll also be able to do this on our smartphone by selecting the SIM card if you have two SIM cards. You can also answer the calls, and from here also we are able to control the camera of our phone. So when I turn it on, I have to also go into my phone, turn on the camera, and from here I have to click OK. And now when I click on this shutter, after a few seconds the photo will be taken on my smartphone. Next, we can just go back from this option. And when you scroll down, we can also find a useful option. It's called the Find Phone. So if you lost your phone, you can actually ring your phone by using this option by tapping on the search. Okay, right now my phone is in the do not disturb mode, so that's why it is not ringing, but let me show you how it looks without the do not disturb mode. And there it is. As you can see right now, my phone was ringing and I'm actually able to locate my phone. When we go into the settings, we can also find some options. For example, we can turn on the do not disturb mode. So we can turn it on, the normal do not disturb mode, or also we can set the scheduled, and we can pick start and end time. And that's basically it. For me, that's all the best tips and features that you can use on the Redmi Watch 3 Active. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.